If your HP laptop isn't playing any sound through the speakers or headphones, don't worry. Here's a straightforward way to fix it. Start by opening the Start menu and going to Settings. Click on System, then Sound. Under Output, make sure the right device is selected, whether it's your laptop speakers or a pair of headphones. Also check that the volume slider isn't turned all the way down. If that all looks good, scroll down and run the troubleshooter under Troubleshoot Common Sound Problems. Choose Output Devices and follow the prompts. This can often catch basic issues automatically. Next, click on More Sound Settings down near the bottom of the sound page. Under the Playback tab, find the device you want to use, right-click it and choose Enable if it's disabled. You can also disable the other ones just to avoid conflicts. Once you've done that, click Set Default, then Apply and OK. Another thing to check is the Windows Audio service. Type Services into the Start menu and open it. Scroll to Windows Audio, double-click it, and make sure it's set to start automatically. If it's not running, click Start. You can also right-click and hit Restart to refresh the service. Still no luck? Open Device Manager from the Start menu. Expand Audio Inputs and Outputs, then right-click your device and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically. You can also go into Sound, Video and Game Controllers, find your main audio device, like Realtek, and do the same. If updating doesn't help, you can manually pick a driver like High Definition Audio Device just to see if that resolves things. After all that, go ahead and restart your laptop and test the sound again. It should be working now.